PolarFire FPGAs are great for delivering low power, small form factor, 4K video and imaging applications. Now with the VectorBlox Accelerator Software Development Kit and Neural Network IP, it is very easy to deploy CNNs without prior FPGA design expertise. There are many challenges in porting neural network algorithms to run on FPGAs. Networks are developed in software, whereas FPGAs require RTL code. They are trained using many popular frameworks which make custom RTL implementation difficult. Flexible hardware reference designs are not easily available. Without a simulator, there is no guarantee that neural network will successfully port in the FPGA hardware. Finally, dissociating the neural network workflow from the FPGA workflow is important. Reprogramming and resynthesizing the FPGA is a time-consuming step. The ability to modify and update neural networks on the fly is critical. The VectorBlox Accelerator Software Development Kit comes packaged with tools to convert your trained networks into vector overlays. The included software simulator allows you to validate how your networks will port into our FPGAs without procuring any hardware. We include many pre-trained CNNs through easy-to-follow tutorials. The SDK supports many popular frameworks including TensorFlow, Caffe, ONNX, and PyTorch, among others. A pre-compiled Smart Camera reference design is provided along with the SDK, which can be directly programmed into the FPGA. Finally, the networks can be loaded on the fly using C or C++ programming without the need to reprogram, recompile, or place and route the FPGA. Applications running video inferencing on the edge must fulfill the following requirements. They must have enough compute power for running inference, somewhere between 50 and 1,000 giga operations per second. They must have low power consumption and excellent thermal dissipation, typically between 3 and 5 watts. They must be secure and reliable for 24/7 operation. Microchip's PolarFire FPGAs are a perfect choice for smart applications on the edge. They support 4K video processing and consume 50% lower power compared to similar FPGAs. This helps reduce your bill of materials and module size by eliminating heat sinks and cooling fans. PolarFire offers high-end features in mid-range FPGAs like 12.7 gigabit per second SerDes, DDR4 memory support, 1.6 gigabit per second LVDS IOs, and hardened PCIe Gen 2 by 4 root port and endpoints. All of this is offered in packages as small as 11 by 11 millimeters square. PolarFire's 18 by 18 DSP math blocks offer a 25% higher efficiency for INT8 operation. The FPGA fabric is immune to configuration errors due to alpha or gamma particles in the ground and avionics levels. PolarFire provides best-in-class design, application, and data security to protect against device cloning and overbuilding. The PolarFire Video Kit provides a flexible reference platform for evaluating the VectorBlox SDK. The Video Kit contains 2 Sony 4K cameras and plenty of HDMI ports. The FMC slot allows further extension to many more video protocols including SDI, USXGMII, CoExpress, SLVS-EC, and others. The combination of the VectorBlox SDK and PolarFire FPGA family offer efficiency and flexibility for your next generation vision platform. With VectorBlox SDK, we combined the high-performance features and low-power capabilities of PolarFire FPGAs with an easy-to-deploy neural network platform, resulting in a highly power-efficient AI solution. To learn more, visit our website at www.microchip.com/PolarFire or contact us at VectorBlox@microchip.com for an evaluation.